Welcome back. We're continuing on the granny circle. Yeah, that doesn't really look like a square. And we're going to be doing rounds 3 and 4. Pretty much we'll do the chain of 3. We'll do the double crochet in the same spot. And then we do a chain of 1. So, like we normally would do. Then we'll find the next spot and then do the, so in this rows we're going to do 3 double crochets in each spot. So, and then with a chain of 1 separating the 2. So this will become the standard round when we're not increasing on the circle. So how you remember we did on round 2 that we would do the different clusters in each spot, like 2 clusters in each spot. This one will just do 1 cluster in each of the spots. So now there will be several rows on this pattern that you'll be increasing, but 3 and 4 pretty much will be repeated often throughout the entire project, where it's just going around like you normally would with a granny square and putting 3 double crochets into the hole in question. So, and so yeah, it's very repetitive, and yes, I know, but with repetition it'll help you get in the habit of doing it. So, and once you're in the habit of getting it done, it will go a little bit faster for you. But yeah, the website again that I got this pattern from is called Crocheting with Raymond. The pattern that I'm using is called the Granny Mandala, or I'm calling it a granny circle. So what you'll do is instead of doing a slip stitch with the same row, you just do a slip stitch and add another row on there, and then you can do different colors. Again, I'm pretty much concentrating on just making the circle myself, so it's not going to be I'm not going to show you the different colors, but I decided to use a multicolored yarn called a variegated yarn, and to kind of give it some different color to the entire project. So, but yeah, the 3rd and 4th rounds, as it were, are pretty repetitive. You're not going to do anything different like we did in the second round. Very similar to what we were doing in the granny square and granny circle, just going back and forth, back and forth. So, but when we're done with round 4 is when we'll do another set of increases, and it will be pretty much similar to round 2. However, it's going to be with clusters of 3. But on the next video, when we get there, I will show you exactly what's going on, and I will also post the patterns. Now, I'm not going to, in this series, do the entire pattern. I'm just going to get up to the point that I believe it's row 9 or 10, you pretty much start repeating. It starts getting more and more repetitive. So you won't actually see the you won't have to do anything abnormal. But with the finish of round 4, lay it out a little bit, you can see that it's coming out to be a circle. So I will post the pattern on after this video and we'll be good to go. Thank you for watching.